Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text font style in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to change text font style. Firstly, select a text. Now you can see here a text. Now you want to select the text. Click and drag on our mouse and select the text. You want to change the font style. Go to the home menu. Then increase the font style. Select the increase font size option. We can see we change the font style very easily. Otherwise, you can using another way. Select the font size dialog box and write your size. Now I am write 15, then press enter. We can see we change the font size very easily. Otherwise, you can use the keyboard shortcut key. Firstly, press select, click inside the text box, then press Ctrl A, then select the control and press the third bracket or the last bracket to increase or decrease the size. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.